Hello students. After completing the structure and examination of eye, we come to the individual surgical interventions or affections in the different structures of the eye. First, we will see about the eyeball. The condition associated with the eyeball may be either anophthalmos, means the absence of eye, which is a developmental anomaly. It may be either cyclops, which is again a developmental congenital anomaly in which the one eye is present in the center and it's due to the fusion of the orbits. Then the other condition may be the microphthalmos, which is a small remnant eye, and it means it is due to the underdevelopment of the eye. Then the microphthalmos, it means the larger size of the eye than the normal. Then the exophthalmos means the protrusion of the abnormal. It is the abnormal protrusion of the eye which is due to the some retrobulbar space occupying lesion. Either it may be abscess or the tumor. Then comes the buphthalmos. It means the bulging of the normally placed eye within the orbit, which might be due to the increased intraocular pressure which occurs in the case of glaucoma. Then the nanophthalmia means it is the restricted development of the eye. The eye is smaller in the size but otherwise normal. Then the endophthalmos, it is the retraction of the eyeball within the orbital cavity. Then the panophthalmia, it means the pus into the eye. Then the nystagmus and strabismus, we have learnt it in the earlier videos. Nystagmus is the involuntary movement of the eyeball and the strabismus is the deviation of the globe from its proper axis. Then comes the proptosis, which is mostly the traumatic type, in which there is the protrusion of the eyeball from the orbital cavity to a degree that there is the entrampment of the eyelids behind the eye. Means the eyelids comes behind the eye and entrapped there, and the globe is totally protruding outside. So these are the conditions which are associated with the eyeball. We can treat them according to their origin. And the most common surgical intervention which is done in case of eyeball rupture or anything which is irreparable injury, we go for the enucleation, which we do by the two methods, that is subconjunctival or transpalpebral ablation. We will learn it in the other videos. Thanks.